Hi, my name is Marine. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 3 amazing and simple walking bass blues that you can play at the Hammond organ. So to play these blues, I'm going to be using the C major scale, and we're going to be using degrees of the notes to help you out and transpose these scales. So just a recap here, the degrees are actually just the order of the notes on the scale. So if I have the C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C, we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And these numbers are actually the degrees. And this is what I'm going to be using to teach you how these walking bass work. Now for the driver settings, if you want to play a walking bass, I strongly suggest that you go with 808, or you can also go with 858. So for today, I'm going to go with the first one. It's going to give us a great round sound for the walking bass. All right, let's dive in with the first walking bass, and it sounds just like this. Amazing. So the formula for this walking bass is 1, 6, 5, 3. And on C, we're going to have C, A, G, E, and C. And it sounds like this. So 1, 6, 5, 3. Great walking bass that we use all the time in blues music. Now let's do this walking bass on F major. Let's see how it goes if we transpose it. So we said 1, 6, 5, 3, and 1. Amazing. Just like that. What about G major? So 1, 6, 5, 3, 1. And there you go, you have the walking bass for the full blues here. A cool addition that you can do to this walking bass is this. So we can actually add an 8th note just before the end on the upbeat here to add a little bit of swing in the walking bass. And it's actually really cool to hear. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So we'd go with the 5th just right before we go back to the 1 right here. There you go. By the way, if you want to learn more about blues and how to play walking bass at the organ, I just released a full course about Hammond organ, and you can have more information at onlinerocklessons.com. Now for the second walking bass, it goes like this. This is a cool, very simple walking bass that uses pretty much the triad notes. So the formula for this one is going to be 1, 1, 3, and 5. So on C we have 1, 1, 3, 5. So it's C, C, E, and G right here. Like that. Now if we want to do the same thing on F, we'd have 1, 1, 3, 5. And on G, 1, 1, 3, 5. So it's. And for this one too, you can actually add a very cool variation. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 5, and 1. And this is actually cool because you can add the 3rd right before we go back to the 1 here. So it's 1, 1, 3, 5. 3, and 1, and this is going to be an 8th note. So another tip here that you can do, very cool variation if you want to add something. And the last walking bass sounds like this. So this one is a very cool walking bass. It's a little bit longer, and it's pretty cool if you want to use the dominant 7. So the formula for this one is 1, 3, 5, 6, flat 7, and we go back with 6, 5, 3, and a 1. And on C, we're gonna have 1, 3, 5, 6, flat 7, 6, 5, 3, and 1. Just like that. Very cool. If we do the same thing on F major, so we have 1, 3, 5, 6, flat 7, 6, 5, 3, and 1. So, and on G, 1, 3, 5, 6, flat 7. And there you go, very cool walking bass. Amazing, so you have 3 walking bass that you can use and you even know how to transpose them now. Great, have fun with this and have a good practice.